you too.
Oh, give me a kissy. I love you. Thank you for doing this with me.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys.
That's what I do. You have to say that.
Oh.
We're gonna start over, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my love muffin, my best friend, my Mook Mook Madison here with me today. And as you can see, for the title of this video, we're gonna be opening up my Boxycharm boxes. Madison is 12. She's a preteen. She's into makeup. I give her all of my old makeup. She's always doing makeup. I bought her a ton of makeup for Christmas, so I thought this was perfect to do this with her. Now, I receive my Boxycharm box once a month in the mail, but today we're going to be doing the January and February boxes, and we're going to be bringing this to you every other month. So every other month we're going to be bringing you these boxes, and my Mook Mook is going to be joining me.
Yay!
So before we get started with today's video, y'all already know what I'm going to say, and that is going to be what?
Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell.
That's right. So subscribe to my channel. Yeah, yes, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell because you never want to miss another video from me. And make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, which I hope that you do like it. Now, for those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a subscription product that you receive in the mail once a month. It's about $25 a month. And I'm going to read this to you. It gives you 5 full-size beauty products delivered every month. It's free shipping in the US. So we're just going to go ahead and dig into the January box. So this is what the box looks like.
Ooh. Okay, so first, when you first look in the box, you see this little card and it says Boxycharm on it. And then it has like what's in the box on the back.
So what's the first thing in there? Ooh, what's that?
This is a face gommage.
Face gommage. Look how big this is, y'all. This is 5.07 fluid ounces. That's what I'm talking about. So it looks like this is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. Wow,
That sounds good.
yeah, right? Madison is all into skincare, y'all.
Yeah.
All into skincare. So this is an exfoliator.
Yeah.
It looks like it's by Skin and Company.
It's cruelty free.
Wow, yeah, so it is. It's gluten free. It has black truffle extract. What does that say? I'm getting older, y'all.
Sweet almond extract.
Looks like apricot seed powder.
It has vitamin A and vitamin E in it.
Yeah, wow. Okay. I want to see how it smells. Let me see how it smells. Let's see what it smells like.
Oh, it smells good.
Me too.
Oh, it smells like coconut.
It does. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand.
Oh, it has like one of those, it has like those beads in it.
Yeah, you see that? So yeah, you're right, Mook Mook. So it feels so good on my hand. Oh my good. And I can feel the beads in it. Like
yeah, I like those kind of like,
yeah,
because it has like the beads in it and then you can feel it all. Yeah, I like this. It feels so good.
and it smells good too. Like Madison
like
said, yeah, it smells like coconut, almond, and you can feel the beads on your hand, so that lets you know it's really going to get into your skin. I like that.
Yeah. So number 2 in the January box is like Vegan.
Looks like Queen.
Oh,
But they put the
Queen.
they put the U. They put the V instead of the U for Queen. What is that?
It's a matte liquid lip stain. So let's see what this looks like.
I love a good lipstick, girl. Ooh, look, we said that at the same time. Ooh,
That looks really good. I like the packaging.
yeah, look at that.
The packaging looks really beautiful.
So the color that we have, can you read that?
Yeah, it says thick skin.
I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the So that's what it looks like on my skin. Madison is a tad bit lighter than me.
This is what it looks like on my skin.
Oh, it smells good too. Smell it.
It's not the best smell.
I like it. It smells good.
The reason why it's not the best for me because it has that skincare thing on it. Then it has this, which I'm smelling. So.
Oh yeah, it is on the same hand.
Yeah, so it's not really the best smell, but
I like it. So what else is in there?
What else is in here is a pretty vulgar lip gloss. Or
is it a lip gloss?
I think so, yeah.
Look, I can't see y'all. I'm getting older. Look, I'm getting older, y'all. Look, I gotta go like that.
The shade is Undercover. So.
Is this lip gloss?
It looks like a lip gloss. Oh, I think no. It's a concealer, I think.
Yeah, I was gonna say this must be a concealer. Okay, so this is a concealer by Pretty Vulgar, and the name is what again?
It is Undercover.
Undercover.
I heard like Boxycharm is giving people those now. Like they know what your skin type is and your skin complexion is.
Now, I wouldn't use this as a highlighter. As you can see, it's much darker. But I could use this if I was doing like a light contour.
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. What's this? Okay, this is from Dr. Brandt, another full-size product. This is the 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. And this looks like it's about 5.5 fluid ounces. What, you saw this?
Yeah, I saw that when someone was reviewing Boxycharm.
Oh, okay.
Because they were opening up their January Boxycharm.
Oh, okay. It's like this is just a
like a under.
Yeah, under eye cream when you're doing your skincare. So
yeah,
I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna use it. What's that?
So the next thing is the Shea Butter Rice brand. What is this? This is an 8-hour sleeping mask.
Oh, that's a sleeping mask? Who is that by? Avant.
Yeah, Avant.
Yeah, this is 50 ml. Oh yeah, it does have shea butter in it. Like you said, rice. Okay. Let me see if I can smell it.
To me, face mask smells like what the packaging looks like to me.
You think so?
Yeah, because I just put on a face mask like a few days ago, and then it was like yellow, and the flavor was like pineapple, and that's what it smelled like. But that one smells like moisturizer.
This is thick. This is a sleeping mask, an 8-hour sleeping mask. But this is thick. This is thick. You would definitely have to read the directions on and see, you know,
how to apply it.
Oh, it smells so good too. I like this, and this smells good. You like that smell?
No.
You don't like the smell?
To be honest with you, no, I don't like the smell. But I think this would be a good product. But
I mean, something that you sleep in for 8 hours. I would hope so. I can't read the directions on it because it's so tiny on the back. I hate when they do that.
So the apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Allow to absorb into the skin. No need to wash off.
No need to wash off?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. It's not like, you know, like leave-in conditioner, like no need to rinse out. That's something different, but something on my face, I feel like I would have, I feel like I would have to rinse it off.
Yeah.
I don't know about that, but I am going to try it out.
And it's cruelty free, so yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to try it out. So in our January box, we got 5 full-size products. We got a we got a face mask. What is that?
Face wash.
Yeah, an exfoliator. You got an eye cream. You got a concealer, and you got lipstick. I mean, they hooked you up for your January box.
Yeah, so basically, Boxycharm is not just for like beauty and like makeup product. It's for skincare too.
Yeah, so. And also sometimes they give you stuff for your hair as well. Yeah. Well, let's see what's in our February box.
So like in the February box, it gives you a card and some whoever's in the box on the back. So,
ooh, first thing I see is this. Look, she opened up. We both picking it up at the same time. It looks like this is
refreshing
cleansing hip wipes. She don't know what that is. We ain't gonna get into it, but y'all know what it is. Oh, I am super duper excited to try this. Look, this is a nice size package. Now, it doesn't say how many wipes come in here. Do you see? Does it say?
No. It's on the back.
But it's thick. It feels like it has to be at least 25 to 30 wipes in here.
Like an average makeup wipe.
Yeah, and let me see, because inside the card it does tell you, and it breaks it down. It gives you like a description
of what it is.
So let's see. I'm gonna let you read it for yourself. I ain't gonna get into it as I got my baby here with me. But read into what the wipes, what's included in the wipes. I'm super duper excited to try it now. And this comes from a company by the name of Avid Skin Ayor.
Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna pull out is these facials pads. So basically, so it helps and tones and brightens the face.
It helps exfoliate. Look, she skipped the word. Look, she ain't tell y'all the word because she ain't know it, right? She said help tone and brighten. She skipped the whole word exfoliate because she ain't know it. Big pads coming in.
How many pads?
It says it right here. 28.
Smell like regular makeup wipes.
But it is alcohol free, so it shouldn't be drying out your skin too much. Okay. What else is in there?
What else is in here is this everyday fancia? Vacay. Oh, coconut setting powder.
Ooh, a setting powder. Ooh. I love setting powder. Oh, that's nice.
Ooh. It's like a little mirror in front of it.
Let me see.
It's so pretty.
We look cute, don't we?
Yeah.
Ooh, we look cute.
I wonder if it smells like coconut. It's probably like
I don't smell anything.
It doesn't smell like coconut.
It don't smell like coconut at all. I'm gonna pour a little bit on my hand. Ooh.
I was expecting it to smell like coconut.
Don't pour none out. Just tap it right there.
It disappointed me.
It's really fine.
It doesn't feel like anything. It's probably like one of those setting powders that like a lightweight.
I probably wouldn't use it. I probably would use this before I put on my foundation if I was going somewhere and I wanted my foundation to last for a long time because I have oily skin. But I wouldn't use this as like a Laurier Mercier, I hope I'm pronouncing that correct, powder, because I don't like the white outcast that it gives me. But
yeah, it's really lightweight. Well, got some brushes. These are beautiful.
I know. I love the color. It's like a rose gold.
Yeah. So they give us 3 brushes.
They gave us 3 brushes.
They gave us 3 brushes. And this is what the 3 brushes look like. Oh, and it tells us what each brush is for. So this brush is for bronzer brush.
Let me see. Oh, this feels good. What's that brush?
This brush is for complexion brush.
Okay.
And this brush is for brightening brush. Really helpful.
Let me see. Helpful? What do you mean?
Yeah, because like some brushes, they don't give you like what it's for.
Oh, okay.
They don't
I see
have
what you're
like
saying.
the name. So they're really helpful if you don't know what each brush is for.
Now these brushes come from, the name of the company is spelled ALAMAR Cosmetics. These are vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set. And it tells you the brushes that comes with it. And another thing that I like about Boxycharm is that inside of this little thing that they give you every month, it actually tells you how much these products cost. So like this brush set, this 3-piece brush set was brush set was $36. The setting powder is $22. The first 8 pads is $16. Is that $16? Yeah. And the hip wipes is $10. And like I said, this box is only $25 a month. So you're really making out with these Boxycharm boxes. Okay, what's the last thing that's in there?
The last thing is this Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This is a mimicking peptides.
Let me see. I don't know what this is.
I think it's like...
Let me just read it.
I'm gonna open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I thought. They're drops. They're like little drops.
Oh, okay. So it says that this is, and this retails, what does that say?
$98.
This retails at $98. This is a full-size bottle. Looks like it's about 1 fluid ounces, 30 ml. It says it's Kate specially formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smooth, and refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. 97% of women reported their skin appearing visibly tighter. So this looks like this is a tightening, yeah, a smooth and firm tightening serum that you put on your face.
Yeah, and I was just reading like it's for AM and PM also.
Yep,
so
yeah.
It's not just for like...
You apply 1 to 2 drops to your skin. What does it smell like?
Smells like
Put some on my hand.
lip gloss. That's what it smells like. It smells like lip gloss. It's not the pleasant smell.
It's really light too. It's not. Yeah, you're right. It doesn't smell like.
I mean, I don't know if this is just me, but I don't like putting stuff on my face that doesn't smell that good. Because
Really?
it makes me not want to use it. Yeah.
It doesn't stink, but it doesn't have a really good smell.
It's really oily.
Yeah, but it's really lightweight. I can see how you can put this on your skin, and I have oily skin, so I don't like putting too many oils on my skin because I do have oily skin. But this, look, it just like really melted right into my hand, so it actually looked like it dried it out a little bit too. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that, especially with my oily skin. I put a ton on my nose. Guys, those are our January and February Boxycharm subscription boxes. I'm completely satisfied. I mean, like I said, it's $25 a month. You can't beat that for 5 full-size products, and they give you skincare, makeup, brushes, and you know, some of these companies I've never heard of before. Some of these companies I have, but I have received products like from Kat Von D, Matt. So like I said, we're going to be doing this every other month. Did you have fun?
Yes.
You did?
I really had fun.
You did?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Opening up the boxes and see what were in them.
And I'm quite sure she's gonna be like, can I have this? Can I have this? Can I have this? Can I have this?
I want the pads. And that's no. Yeah, that's all I want. I want the pads.
Well, guess what?
I'm getting there.
She can use one. But she ain't getting my pads, okay? Well, that's all that we have for today, guys. Do you have anything to say, Mook Mook?
Yeah. If you like us, like, open up the Boxycharms and like what they give us, then I advise you to, like, join the Boxycharm little thing so you can get the boxes and see what you like. So, yeah.
I'm gonna leave it, like I said, I'm gonna leave a link below as to where you can, you know, get your own Boxycharm boxes. And if there's other subscription boxes out there that you want to see us open and discuss, you know, let us know below. I'll see how much it costs, okay? Because I ain't rich, so I'll see how much it costs. And then I'll look into doing more boxes. But I want to say thank you so much for joining us today, and until we see y'all again, be safe and be blessed. Love you. See you guys later.
See you guys later.
Bye.